The height of gene technology cynicism is the so-called Terminator technology. It makes the farmers biologically dependent on the corporations. The plants are genetically modified in such a way that they are able to germinate only once. Sowing the harvest seeds is pointless. The harvest is dead.
Well, a terminator plant or seed is that when the seed of a plant reaches a certain age of maturity, just before it is total mature, the terminator gene will kick in and will destroy the germination of that seed, which means it could not be used for seed the following year. So you would have to go back as a farmer to buy seed the next year because the germination of that seed was killed by the terminator gene. When the terminator gene, that plant, blossoms and the pollen flow from it will also then get into other plants and kill other plants when those seeds almost reach to the stage of maturity. So it will not only affect the terminator gene plant that it was put into, it will also affect other plants and kill them. Or not kill them, but the seed will become sterile. And we carry that a little farther now. And if, like Monsanto's lawyer has said, that they own anything they put that seed in or they develop, what about if you put a gene into a human being? Does that say they own me? Does that say they own you? The other issue in my case that has to be addressed is this. If you patent a gene and you put it into any life-giving form and you put it into the environment, and you cannot control it, then should you maintain the rights to that patent? Because you can't control it, and you're destroying the property of others. So then you should lose the rights to that patent, and you should also be liable for the liability and the damage it causes. That's another issue in my case.